Hey guys, this is Sharon from the Gaming Thief. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to build a 40,000 rupees entry level gaming PC. It's especially for those who live in India and concerned about the budget. So, for the processor, I'm using AMD FX6300 processor, which costs around 7,500 rupees. It's a 6-core edition and it's a black edition as well. This uses AM3 plus socket type. This can do gaming as well as video editing and anything. It's an APU. So, moving on to the compatible motherboard, I'm using Asus M5A78-M/USB 3 motherboard. It costs around 4,700 rupees, but it is a good motherboard. It has USB 3.0 and 4 RAM slots, so you can upgrade it anytime for the RAM itself. Next, using the graphic card from Zotac is Zotac NVIDIA GeForce GTX 750 Ti 128-bit. It costs around 11,500 and it's a 2GB DDR5 RAM, particularly GDDR5, so it can play pretty much any game over the market. Next, moving on to the HDD, I'm using a WD 1TB SATA International HDD Caviar Green HDD because Western Digital has a good name and it has a good quality also. It's about 64 MB cache and it has a pretty much good quality. So next we are moving up to on the RAM. I'm using a Kingston 8GB Hyper Fury desktop DDR3 RAM. This RAM is clocked at 1866 mHz, which costs around 4,300 rupees. And it's a Kingston, so we can rely on its brand, and it comes in a white, black, blue and red colors. Next, moving on to the DVD writer. It's an LG DVD writer, so you can get pretty much basic things you need. So LG DVD writer may do good. It has a good quality. It costs around 1,000 rupees. Next, moving on to the cabinet, this is an Antec X1T gaming cabinet with a window. It costs around 3,100 and 3,200. So it comes with one 120mm red LED fan and one 120mm rear exhaust fan. It comes with one USB 3.0 port at the front. It looks good. So we are moving to the power supply to power everything up. So I'm using Corsair VS550 watt PSU for this build because this can power up anything almost. It costs around 3,111. So pretty much that. Have a nice day and thank you. Stay subscribed, and if you like, have a thumbs up.